Hide around the people, Aubrey. Yeah. Turning into just like your sister. Yeah.
Right this door. Wow.
Oh, hi. You ready, Aubrey? Dia apa nak cerita dia?
Alright, well, let's just come.
Yeah, Dada's outside making the playpen for the goats. He's out getting the goats area ready. Where's Alexa? Say, Alexa, where are you? Say, Alexa, where are you? Where's Sis? Where's Sis go? Yeah. Dada. Ethan. Ethan. Ooh, I think Aubrey wants to play with the little ghost. Can you go play with Aubrey, little ghost? Hey, Jen. So it's your sister, little Ethan. Apparently, taking turns running. Are you pretending to make ghost sounds, Aubrey? Ooh. Say hi. Say hi. Hey, Ethan, go get your own blanket. Ethan, go in your room and get your own blanket, dude. Aubrey, say hi. Alright, go ahead. And go show Aubrey. She wants to see a cute little ghost like you. There he is. Woo! Except Ethan can't see. Woo! Go say hi to Aubrey. There you go. Woo! Careful, right there, Alexa. There's a blue car. Dun 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 dun. That was me in Star Wars. Dun 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 dun. It reminded me of the Emperor.